oftentimes when working with scripting and particles, you want to be able to store custom data on the particles to be used later on. For example, we might want to be able to record the number of times a particle strikes an object and then use that value to actually drive some future event. So there's a whole different multitude of purposes like that with particles. And the way we can go about creating custom user data is through the par type. And we can actually specify on the user parameter tab different parameters that get attached particles. So for example, here we can select the type of parameter we want. As a simple example, I'll just put in here collision amount and create that. So that creates a new user parameter on the P type, and we can actually access this as an attribute on the particle. So if I go to my event, I've created basically a simple blank event here. And what's happening here is we're triggering at every frame the script. So I've just got a simple loop here to go through for each element in the particle attributes, log the message of that element. So it's basically going to list to me all the attributes that belong to that particle. So let's just run that. We can just step forward here. So you can see here we're listing all the attributes, and we've got the collision amount parameter here. So basically through a scripted event, we can get values from that and set values for that. We do something very similar in an example where we use a goal attribute and actually set the value for the position of the goal. So you can take a look at that for more details, but that's just a quick look at user parameters for particles.